Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom with Affiliate Marketing for Dummies. Yesterday you learned what is your niche and what is affiliate marketing. Today I'm going to show you where to find products. There are three main websites. Now these are like a phone directory. So all the products that you can be an affiliate for are in there. There's hundreds and hundreds and thousands of them on whatever subject you can think of. So the main three are ClickBank, Warrior Plus and JVZoo. So it's free to become a member. So this is the ClickBank one. So to find an offer, you go to the marketplace. There is a knowledge base there that you can actually go through how to work, you know, how to get around the website. So if we try Instagram products, for example. Now, this is quite good. Instagram on fire, Instagram for champions. Average sale 80, average sale 3. This is quite important, guys. Average sale, oh, that's in Spanish. It's in Spanish or Italian. Instagram, well, anyway, some of them are in foreign languages, which I actually didn't know that. But anyway, let's pretend that we want to promote this one. With ClickBank, generate your link and you've got it. Okay, this is the easiest one in the world to promote. But don't forget, never promote the raw link. Otherwise, you'll get banned from Facebook. Right, Warrior Plus and JVZoo. How to find products. You go into, let's have a look, Marketplace. You have to ask permission on JVZoo and Warrior Plus. Let's go with health and fitness. You have to ask permission and tell them where you're going to eat, where you're going to promote it, for example. So if we allow cookies, we can scroll down. And just pick one. PLR means public relations rights or private label rights, sorry. Private label rights, which means you can buy it, put your name on and resell it. So that's quite good to know, isn't it? So for instance, if you wanted to promote this is buy now actually. This is, we don't want to buy, do we? We don't want that one. We want products. Aha. You see, I forgot because I don't go on this. Find products. You're learning too, guys. Now that's when you buy them and that's when you sell them, okay? Every mistake, you learn something. Here we go. This is what I wanted. So my niche is videos. Actually, I would like this one because I've heard of this one, so I'm actually going to request approval for this one. Oh, it's pending. I've actually asked that last week. So if you want to do this one, for example, you have to write, hello, I have an email list of 2,000. I have a Facebook group with 1,000, or I've got Instagram followers of however many Instagram followers you've got. I'm going to promote this with a capture page and emails, which I'm already setting up for you. Do you know what I mean? You have to say, I've got a following on LinkedIn, I've got a following on Instagram, and then you can, if you put the most details that you can. I've been an affiliate marketer for 6 months, or I'm just beginning and I'd like to try it, and I've got my capture page system already made up, because you do need a capture page system. You can't share your raw links on Facebook. You will not be allowed. They will cancel the request for the message and it'll go red. Right then, Warrior Plus. Let's go to affiliate offers. Then you can put in, for instance, Facebook, and search for, if you want to help people get leads on Facebook, for example, because I'm finding a lot of people do not know how to get leads on Facebook, or they'll get into Facebook jail. So let's take a look at this one. Look, it's my offer. This is the one I'm going to show you how to promote. But if you wanted to promote this one, you request, so it'll tell you what it looks like. Then you can view the sales page, but I'm showing you how to request the approval. So again, I've got a large following on LinkedIn, and they're all businessmen wanting to do Facebook or whatever. Do you know what I mean? Or I've got 5,000 friends on Facebook, and I'm finding lots of people don't know how to market, so I've got loads of people wanting your product. That's the sort of thing that you need. Or I've got an email list, I've got 1,000 people in my Facebook group, got 2,000 followers on Instagram. Do you know what I mean? You've got to put where you're going to promote it. If you've got an email list and people on Facebook, you've got more chance of getting accepted. So once you're accepted and you've got your link, it will tell you by email that you've been accepted. Then the exciting bit comes. The exciting bit comes is you get your first product, and then you can start building your capture page. So we've done what products, what niche are you in, and honed it down to vitamins or whatever if you're in health, or Facebook if you're on internet marketing. And this is where to find products. So tomorrow's capture pages, emails to follow, and then there's so much I want to teach you on Friday. You're gonna love it. Right then, see you on the next video, guys. Bye.